Exim University Bhubaneswar celebrated its 9th undergraduate convocation with ceremonial grace and decorum on Wednesday, marking a significant achievement in the academic journey of its student. A total of 560 undergraduate students were conferred degrees across various disciplines in a ceremony that celebrated years of dedication, hard work, and academic rigor. The convocation was graced by Manoj Ahuja, Chief Secretary cum Chief Development Commissioner, Government of Odisha, who was the chief guest and convocation speaker. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Secretary shared his insight on leadership, integrity, and the role of youth in nation building, inspiring the young graduates as they embark on their future journey. Among the distinguished dignitaries present were Father Anthony R. Uvari, S.J. Vice Chancellor of Exim University, Father S. Anthony Raj, S.J. Registrar, Father Arokya Das, Vanathian, S.J. Chief Finance Officer, Professor V.R. Satish Kumar, Controller of Examination, Deans of various schools, senior officials, and distinguished member of the Board of Governors.
For BSc Psychology Honours, Aliba Mishra. School of Governance and Public Affairs.
The highlight of the event was the awarding of medals for academic excellence to the top rank holders from various
Second trend I can see is there was in 1990s there was a book which came out called The End of History by Francis Fukuyama. So that it was quite a classic bestseller at that time. Why? Because the Cold War had ended, and generally, I mean, the thought what he said.
Professor Sutapa Pati, Dean, School of Sustainability, extended a warm welcome to the students, parents, dignitaries, and guests, setting the tone for the momentous occasion. Father Anthony R. Uvari, S.J. Vice Chancellor, offered sincere acknowledgements to Manoj Ahuja for gracing the convocation and addressing the university stakeholders with his eloquent and reflective speech.
The war which is going on now between Ukraine and this, and there's a closing up of economies, and one never expected what is globally, for example, war on tariffs, things like that, and this has added uncertainty in a very certain world. And this uncertainty will also play out. It may mean the way our development goes as a country, what new opportunities you will find. But I think India is poised in a very fortunate position. And this is something which has in the last 4 years, if I can call it.
Schools presented by the chief guest. Father S. Anthony Raj, S.J. Registrar, Exim University, delivered the vote of thanks.